how profitable is pig farm in Nigeria really? Whenever people hear about pig farming in Nigeria, the first question is always the same, which is how much can you make in pig farming? And that today is the question I want to answer in this video. Not assumptions, but with real farm thinking. Now, on our farm, we have 27 sows. 20 of them are pregnant. So when I'm talking about pig farming, I'm not talking about pig farming from theory aspect of it. Rather, I'm talking about an actual working system.
Welcome to Global's Pig Farm.
Listen very carefully.
Where we have
One of the biggest mistakes people make
species of pig
is that they confuse revenue with profit. Let's take for example, people see pigs, they see piglets, they see the market demand, and immediately they think money is guaranteed. But farming, my friend, does not work that way. In pig farming, money is made when you understand the relationship between production and cost. Again, if you have 20 pregnant sows and each one of them gives birth to 8 to 10 piglets, you are already looking at a major production potential. That sounds exciting, right? But now the real question begins. How many piglets are going to survive? How much does the feed cost? How much goes into medication? How much goes into labor too? Of course, you are going to pay the workers that will be working for you in your site. And how much goes into maintenance? Maintenance is a little bit afterwards, not at the beginning. So, this is why serious farmers must think beyond excitement. At Ugocentury Pig Farm, we focus highly on structural pig farming because we believe that profit is not just all about having more pigs. It is also about managing the pigs properly. If feeding is not controlled, your profit automatically disappears. And if disease too is not controlled, profit once again disappears. And if breeding is not managed well, profit, my friend, also disappears. This is why this channel is focused on real numbers, real system, and real documentation. And the truth is this: pig farming in Nigeria can be more profitable, in fact, very, very profitable, but only when it is being treated like a business and not just like an idea or a side hustle. For us at Ugocentury, the key areas are simple: production, cost control, disease prevention, data tracking, and disciplined management. That is how agricultural wealth is built. Not by guessing, not by noise, but by system. So, if you are serious about pig farming in Nigeria, especially as one living at home or in diaspora, you need to learn how to think like an investor first and not just like an ordinary animal owner, because pig farming rewards discipline. And this is exactly what we are building at Ugocentury Pig Farm. So, if you want real numbers, real farm system, and real agricultural strategy, subscribe to this channel and follow the journey. Also comment below and let us know when you think you are going to open your own pig farming business, and what is your biggest question or challenge? Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.